Tom was an inquisitive young boy with a mop of unruly brown hair, always on the lookout for adventure in his small, idyllic village nestled amidst lush green mountains. Every day he would set out on his walks, taking in the picturesque beauty that surrounded him. The village was a harmonious blend of quaint cottages, cobblestone streets, and a gentle stream that meandered through the heart of the community. As Tom strolled through the village, his eyes would invariably be drawn to the vibrant flowers that bloomed near Mabel's cozy cottage. Mabel, an old wise woman with a twinkle in her eyes, possessed extraordinary gardening skills. Her garden was a riot of colors, bursting with the most beautiful and fragrant flowers Tom had ever seen. However, what intrigued Tom more than anything else was Mabel's peculiar daily ritual. Each morning, she would pluck one of her finest blooms and delicately place it at the entrance to the village, a small act that seemed to hold great significance. Driven by curiosity, Tom decided to approach Mabel one sunny afternoon. With a warm smile, Mabel welcomed him into her garden oasis and offered him a seat on a weathered wooden bench. Tom couldn't help but notice the array of gardening tools meticulously arranged nearby, evidence of Mabel's dedication and passion. Inquisitively, Tom asked Mabel about her daily ritual of leaving a flower at the entrance to the village. Mabel's eyes sparkled with wisdom as she leaned closer to Tom, her voice carrying a hint of mystery. "I believe in sharing beauty with others," she said softly. "I take joy in seeing how a simple gesture can brighten someone's day when they pass by my flower on their way into town." Mabel went on to explain that over time, she had observed a remarkable phenomenon. Whenever she left a flower at the entrance of the village, her entire garden seemed to respond, blooming even more vibrantly for days afterward. It was as if the act of sharing a single flower ignited a chain reaction of beauty and abundance. Tom was moved by her profound words. Mabel's simple act of sharing beauty and her belief in the power of altruism taught him a lifelong lesson. It was a lesson that resonated not just with Tom, but with the whole village, showing them that even the smallest act of giving could bring about an abundance of happiness and fulfillment. And so, Mabel's garden continued to flourish, and her daily gift of a flower became a cherished tradition in the village, a symbol of shared and the beauty of giving. In our journey through life, we often find ourselves at a crossroads, unsure of which path to choose. You may wonder, what is the key to fulfillment and happiness? Remember Mabel's garden. The answer lies in sharing and giving. We may find that when we extend our hands to give, we do not just enrich others' lives, we nourish our own. So let us choose to be like the flower, spreading beauty and joy wherever we go.